In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel a Freshsales Crm account. To begin, you will need to access your Freshsales dashboard and make sure you are signed in with the correct level of permissions. This process should be done by an administrator because only administrators can manage account-level settings and account cancellation options. So take a moment now to log into your Freshsales account as an administrator. Once you are successfully logged in, you should see the main interface or dashboard area where your navigation menu is available. Next, you will move to the administrative settings. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Admin Settings. This is usually located in the left navigation panel, making it easy to return to anytime you need account controls. Click Admin Settings. After you click it, the page should change so you can view management options specific to your organization. This step matters because the cancellation request is handled through account settings, not through general user options. Now that you are in the Admin Settings area, the goal is to reach the Account Settings tab. From here, navigate to Account Settings. Within Account Settings, you will see an area or tab structure, and you should click the Account Setting tab. If the interface shows multiple categories, make sure you are selecting the one that specifically relates to account settings. Take your time here and confirm you are on the correct tab before continuing, since the cancellation button may appear only within this specific account section. Once you are in the Account Setting tab, you will find the option related to ending your service. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Account or Request Cancellation Account. The wording may vary slightly depending on your account configuration, but it will be clearly connected to cancellation or requesting cancellation. Click Cancel Account or Request Cancellation Account. At this point, Freshsales will typically guide you through the next stage to ensure you intend to proceed. This is important because account cancellation is usually a final or semi-final action, and the system often requires confirmation. After you select the cancellation option, follow the prompts that appear on screen. The prompts may include information about what happens when you cancel, what to expect next, and whether there are any steps to complete before the cancellation is finalized. Read through the instructions carefully so you understand the outcome. If there are choices to confirm the reason for cancellation or the timing of the cancellation, select the options that match your intent. Then proceed by confirming when you are asked to finalize the request. This final confirmation is the step that completes the workflow and submits your cancellation. When you confirm to finalize, the system should process your cancellation request. Depending on your plan and configuration, it may show a status message, a confirmation screen, or a brief notification indicating that the cancellation has been submitted successfully. If you see any confirmation details, take a quick moment to review them so you know the request has been received. After that, you can close the confirmation view or return to the admin area if needed. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.